In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a content calendar automation in make.com. We'll start by setting up the foundation in Google Sheets, because this spreadsheet will act as the control center for your automation. Create a content calendar with columns like date, platform, caption, image URL, and status. Then add a few sample posts so you have data to test with. For status labels, keep things simple and consistent with options like draft, ready, and posted. This makes it much easier for your automation to know what should happen next. Once your sheet is ready, log into Make and create a new scenario. Give it a clear name, such as Content Calendar Automation, so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you build more workflows over time. Next, click the plus button to add your first module and search for Google Sheets. Choose either Search Rows or Watch New Rows, depending on how you want your content calendar to behave. If you want Make to react to new entries, Watch New Rows is a useful trigger. Then connect your Google account by clicking Add, signing in, and granting the required permissions. After that, select the correct Google Drive, choose your spreadsheet, and then select the worksheet that contains your content calendar. Make sure the first row includes your column headers, since that helps. Make identify and map your fields correctly. Now add a filter after the Google Sheets step. Set it so the scenario only continues when the status is ready and the scheduled date is due. This is an important safeguard because it prevents drafts or already published posts from being processed by mistake. From there, click the plus sign after the filter and add your social media platform. In this example, search for Facebook pages and choose a publishing action such as creating a post. Then connect and authorize your Facebook account and select the page where you want the content to go. In the Facebook module, map the caption field from Google Sheets to the post text. If your post includes an image, map the image URL as well. This is the step that pulls content directly from your calendar into the social post. After publishing, add another Google Sheets module and choose Update a Row. Update the status field from ready to posted so the same content doesn't get published again. To test everything, add one test post to your spreadsheet, set its status to ready, and click Run once in Make. Then check your Facebook page to confirm the post was published correctly. Finally, open the scheduling settings, choose how often the scenario should run, save it, and turn it on. Make will now monitor your content calendar automatically. If you want to expand later, you can also add a router to create separate paths for platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and more.